This paneer pakora recipe will set you up in about 20 minutes and it'll be delicious. We usually have this during monsoon season or rain season or during the winter. It just warms you up. We usually have it with tea, but I wasn't allowed to have tea, so I just have the pakoras. So let's do that right now. Now, paneer is great for this recipe because paneer is just great in everything and it's gonna make it nice and soft once it's done frying. We're gonna make the batter first. So for that, you need some besan or chickpea flour in a large bowl, followed by some turmeric. It's gonna add some nice earthy flavors and help with some color as well. Follow that with some salt, and then we'll add some finely chopped cilantro, some finely minced ginger and garlic, and just to taste, based on how much spiciness you like, you're gonna add some finely chopped green chilies as well. So now you want to create a batter. So add a couple splashes of water and start whisking away. You're looking for a consistency very similar to pancake batter, basically something that allows you to dip your paneer or whatever else you're making pakoras out of to get a nice, even, crisp coating as you're frying. For me, that consistency was right about here, and I hope that this kind of gives you a picture of what the consistency should be like. Now, in the meanwhile, I've been heating up some vegetable oil, so let's start frying. Now, you always want to get a tester going, and that's why I just put some batter in the oil. And if it floats like this and starts bubbling but doesn't brown too quickly, that means your oil is ready. So I'm gonna start adding in my paneer. And if it's your first time doing it, just put one piece in, see how it turns out. And if you need to adjust the temperature, adjust the batter, then commit to the rest. I'm gonna add all of them in now, and just the smell of basin just frying is just unlike anything else, and you're gonna love it if you haven't had it before. And by the way, if you can't find paneer at your local grocery store, at your local international store, then check out the recipe that I have. All you need to make it is some milk and buttermilk. Check that out downstairs. And this is when you know that your pakoras are done. It's gonna have a bit of color. It'll be a nice crisp texture, but still have some softness. But you want to look for this color. It is possible to take out the pakoras prematurely so that the batter is set, but it's still not all the way done. And I'm gonna serve it with some tamarind chutney. This one is store-bought, but I have a homemade recipe as well. I just didn't have time today. And I'm also gonna have some yogurt, mint, and cilantro chutney. Super easy to put together. And just take a look at how shiny and juicy that paneer looks. Like it's crazy. It's cheese, but it's juicy. That's what's so great about paneer. But I want you to tell me what is your favorite pakora and what would you like to see next? And if you enjoyed this video, you are gonna love my potato stuffed bread pakora. So go check that out. I'll see you in the next one.